Welcome to Sarasota. Let's take a look at the luxury tower condos of Sarasota Bay, the Golden Gate Point, Bayfront Park, Palm Avenue, and the downtown area. Additionally, we'll take a look at the new law regarding structural inspections, a reserve study, and possible special assessments. We will begin with the northeast side of town along the Sarasota Bay. The Alinari was built in 2007, and the 205 units are in the $700,000 to $2.3 million range. The Renaissance was built in 2001, and the 244 units may be the least expensive along the waterfront, starting at about $300,000 all the way up to $850,000. The Boulevard Sarasota was built in 2020, and the 49 units are in the $2 to $7 million range. The Beso is a new development in 2024, and the 149 units are in the $1 to $5 million range. This building, with the French name that means beautiful sky, was built in 2003, and the 44 units are $1 to $3 million. The Condo on the Bay development has two towers built in 1982. Note the year. We will talk about building safety in just a few moments. The 272 units are in the $1 to $3 million range. Next, we will look at the Golden Gate Point with much new construction and existing towers. The Evolution, developed in 2024, has 20 units in the $1 to $3 million range. 188 was developed in 2015 and may have a unit available for $5 million. The Peninsula, developed in 2024, has two towers with 23 units in the $4 million range. The Aqua was developed in 2016 and may have a unit available in the $4 million range. The Owen began development in 2025, and the 29 units are in the $2 to $4 million range. The 688 tower began development in 2024, and the 10 units will be in the $2 to $8 million range. The Bayfront area has towers along the Bayfront Park, the Marina, and near Main Street. The Ritz-Carlton has two towers, one developed in 2003, the other in 2021, and they range from $3 to $6 million. The View, connected to the Westin Hotel, was built in 2017, and the units are in the $2 to $3 million range. The Marina Tower was built in 2001, and the 40 units are in the $2 million range. The Bay Plaza was built in 1982. Note the year. We will discuss structural inspections in just a moment. The 107 units range from $1 to $1.8 million. The Jewel was developed in 2016, and the units are in the $2 million range. The 101 Tower was initially developed in 1974, however, renovated in 2024. And they go from $500,000 to $800,000. Next, we will look at the Palm Avenue and Gulfstream area. The Sarabunde Tower was originally built in 1998. Note the year. We will soon discuss the building safety new laws. There are 57 units in the $2 to $3 million range. The Savoy was developed in 2006, and the range is $3 million. And the Tessera was built in 2000 and is in the $2 to $3 million range. The Epic, built in 2021, is $3 to $8 million. And the Echelon, built in 2017, is $2 to $4 million. And the embassy is built in 1975, so we will discuss the building safety before we move on to the downtown area, but note the year 1975. These are going from 1 to 2 million though. The new building law is enacted as SB 4D about building safety. Please note, read the law yourself and seek real estate legal advice from purchasing or investing attorneys and CPAs. The building safety law was enacted because of the Surfside tragic collapse of a condo with 98 souls lost, and it was due to a drainage issue. The state Senate responded to the 2001 incident by mandating structural inspections. Condos within 3 miles of the coastline with 3 or more floors and older than 25 years, 30 years inland apply. Inspections must be performed by structural engineers and architects with 10-year milestone inspections as well. Substantial deterioration must be repaired within 365 days. And financially, a structural integrity reserve study shall be performed as well for the future major repair of replacement of common elements such as roof, load-bearing walls, primary members, the floor, foundation, fireproof and protection, plumbing, and any item over $10,000 in need of deferred maintenance. Again, seek professional real estate tax, financial, and legal advice before purchasing or investing. My personal opinion is to set aside the 27.5-year depreciation as reserves. It is a gift from the IRS with a purpose. Note, special assessments may be charged to the property if there is no reserve fund. And there are additional condo ownership expenses to consider: taxes, insurance, HOA dues for the common area expenses such as maintenance, management, amenities, and future capital expenditures. And finally, let's look at the downtown Sarasota towers. 1350 Main Street was built in 2007, and those units are 500 to 3 million. The Plaza Five Points was built in 2006 from 1.6 to 5.7 million. 100 Central was built in 2005, and the 35 units are in the $1 million range. The Mark, built in 2018, has 157 units in the 1 to 3 million range. The Sensara, built in 2015, has units 1 to 2 million. And the Kanaya, built in 2007, has 15 units, and they are in the $2 million range. Thank you for viewing the Florida Sarasota Waterfront Towers. And sellers, let us know if you have any property that we may purchase or help you sell. And buyers and investors, let us know what you're looking for. Thank you again for visiting 1000 Florida Destinations.